We've heard from officials, patients, and doctors, but tonight we're sharing with ABC 15 what it's like to work on a designated COVID-19 floor. ABC 15's Adam Waltz has the exclusive interview.
1 North, the COVID floor at Banner Boswell in Sun City.
I'm just trying to do my job.
Bailey Statler is one of many nurses whose regular floors have been converted to care for patients with COVID-19. She didn't think much of it back in early March until
I had a doctor sit next to me and he's like sharing his feelings on the matter. I didn't even ask. He just came out and said he was scared.
her floor chosen because it's a newer floor and has its own ventilation system, so airborne diseases don't spread to the rest of the hospital. Statler has been on the front lines of COVID patient care for nearly a month and says there's a lot the general public, even the nurses, still don't know about the virus.
Even the ones that are testing negative, they're still so sick, and we don't know if it's a true negative. It's the signs of the flu, but I've heard that the respiratory issues, the difficulty breathing is indescribable.
How do you stay so positive and go into work every day knowing the types of patients you have?
Some days I walk in, I'm a warrior, I'm ready to go. And then some days I just feel like I've already given up.
After work, she's self-isolated herself away from family and friends.
I am that perfect carrier that won't show symptoms. And so I come home, I shower, I don't do anything else on my days off.
With Arizona's spike in cases and deaths projected in the next couple of weeks, Statler and other nurses are preparing for the worst.
I haven't personally lost a patient this moment in time, but it's going to happen, and I'm just going to rely on my other coworkers to hopefully get through it.
She said PPE supplies are good at Banner and wears her gown, mask, face shield, and gloves as a badge of honor.
I'm proud to be a nurse, and yeah, it's hard, but hopefully this ends eventually, and we can look back at our strength and know that we accomplished something.
Adam Waltz, ABC 15, Arizona.